To resolve pending transaction, there's two main ways you can resolve it. On the bottom there, you can see there's cancel and speed up. This is the two main ways you can resolve the pending transaction. On cancel, you can see you'll just cancel the transaction. If it's been pending for too long and you want to use that crypto for something else now, you can just cancel the transaction. If you don't want to cancel the transaction, the other thing you can do is to speed up the transaction. When you speed up the transaction, you're basically telling the system, hey, hurry up. I want my crypto to be transferred already. So either cancel or speed up. When you do any of these, you'll see this approve button. So for example, if you have canceled it, it'll say approve and now the status is cancelled. So those are the two main ways you can resolve this pending transaction. Either cancel it if it's been too long, or if you still want it to be transferred, you can speed it up and you can go from there.